Cache app problems after an Android update are usually caused by outdated app files, changed permissions, cache problems, or temporary software conflicts. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix Cache app when it stops working after an Android update, and which steps to try before contacting support. Start by checking for a Cache app update. Open the Google Play Store, search for Cache app, and install the newest version if an update is available. A newer app version can fix compatibility problems after an Android system update. Next, restart your Android phone. A restart refreshes system processes and can fix temporary issues that stop Cache app from opening or loading features correctly. If Cache app opens but behaves incorrectly, clear the app cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Cache app, choose Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may interfere with the app. You should also check Cache app permissions. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Cache app, and confirm that required permissions are enabled. Features like QR scanning may not work if camera access is disabled. If Cache app still does not work, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is caused by connectivity issues. Another option is reinstalling Cache app. Uninstall the app, download it again from the Google Play Store, and sign in using the correct account information. Before uninstalling, make sure you have access to the phone number or email linked to your Cache app account. You may need those details to complete the login process. If Cache app keeps crashing, freezing, or showing error messages after these fixes, the problem may be related to a temporary service issue or an account-specific problem. Use the support option inside Cache app to report the issue. Include the exact error message, your Android device details, and what happens when you try to use the app. Avoid downloading Cache app from third-party websites. Only install the official app from the Google Play Store to protect your account. To recap, update Cache app, restart your Android phone, clear the cache, check permissions, and reinstall the app if needed. Your next step is to open the Google Play Store and confirm Cache app is updated after your Android update. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Cache app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.